We're rolling, guys. Video is rolling. Kayla, all you see is these rainbow stockings.
I'm dying. I'm dying.
I'm not even squeezing.
Noah.
I
Don't
already
be
tapped.
sad.
Huh?
Don't be sad.
No, dude, I'm just tired of getting fucked over.
I know, but poor Kayla.
He choked me. I couldn't even talk.
I wasn't even choking you.
Yeah, you were. Did you hear me? I was like, ah. Did you hear my voice?
I wasn't choking.
Kayla, she's trying so hard, and Robert's not even budging. Did you just try to pull his pants down? I've got the camera going, so. Ouch! Ow, that was my toe. That was my toe.
Choking, whatever you just did. Give me a fat lip. I feel it.
Oh my god.
No real wrestling. Just like. Okay. Ready? Go.
What is that? What is that? Kayla, go! Kayla, no!
I'm gonna punch you. Let's really fight.
He walks over like an ape.
Dude, he broke my freaking.
He crushed my toe.